Hi, my name is Samer, and today I am showing you how to use activities in SpacesEDU to curate student learning and easily assess learning outcomes. Creating and assigning activities is easy. Simply click Activities at the top of the page, then click Create. This brings you to your activity portal, where you can reuse any activity you've previously created from class to class, year to year, or create a new one from scratch. Let's revise a past activity to see what's possible. You first decide where you'll want the submissions of this activity to be posted. By default, it will be in the class space, but you can choose any other one-to-one space you want. Then, assign your activity to one, multiple, or all students, perfect for differentiation. Now, it's time to fill out the activity form with the following: a title and description, rich text formatting, add up to 10 media files including rubrics or exemplars, set a start and end date, great for scheduling, or leave it open for ongoing assessment. Add curriculum tags to support backward design and simplify assessment. Finally, choose your activity settings. You can allow students to unsubmit their work for flexible editing. Once the activity is created, you will decide whether to lock and unlock student submissions, a great flexibility to meet your assessment needs. You also have the option to choose if the activity should sync to the Growthbook, your built-in competency-based gradebook. What's assessed here syncs there, saving time and effort. No doubling up on work. Once your activity is created and assigned, students can begin submitting their work. In the Assign tab, you can view all assigned activities, click into any one for a bird's eye view of submissions, and see who's submitted, who's reflected, who's received feedback, and who was assessed. You can even submit on behalf of your students in just 2 clicks. Click into a student's submission to review their work in the left panel, assess their learning with the curriculum tags on the right, add formative feedback, click Edit to add personalized tags or revise feedback. You can also lock, unlock, or request resubmission to keep the learning process flexible and responsive. Once you've assessed, you can post the activity to a student space to loop in students and families. From the Quick Review table, you can post to a single student, or use the blue Post to Space button to post for all. Watch out! We remind you again that the default posting space is the class space, unless otherwise selected in the activity setup. Make sure to review this before posting. You might be asking, why post to a space? Because if you don't, your assessment, feedback, and applied proficiency won't be visible to students or families. Posting is a key step to celebrate, reflect, and make learning visible. Any post created through activities automatically syncs to both the Growthbook and Proficiency report. These tools give you a comprehensive overview of where each student stands and helps you determine next steps in teaching and learning. To learn more, check out our dedicated video about these features. From their Activities tab, students can view all assigned activities, click into one to see instructions, then click Start Activity. They can add up to 10 media files, describe their learning, and even ask questions for their teacher. Once they're done, they can click Submit. After submission, students will be able to revisit their activity, view feedback in the Close tab, or see it as a post in the space where it was published. That's been your overview of activities in SpacesEDU. Now, it's time for you to create your first activity and support students in showing what they know and how they grow.